Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever noticed how some people stay calm no matter what happens? Traffic jam? They're chillin'. Rude comment? They shrug it off. Life throws a curveball, they adjust and keep moving. Meanwhile, the rest of us are losing our minds over a slow Wi-Fi connection. So what's their secret? Are they born this way? Do they have a hidden mental strength app installed? Nope. They just practice a few habits, and the good news is, anyone can learn them. Today, I'm breaking down 5 habits of mentally strong people, explained with simple psychology and real-life examples. And trust me, by the end, you'll see mental strength very differently. Let's get into it. Habit number 1. They don't take everything personally. Mentally strong people understand one powerful truth. Most people's behavior has nothing to do with you. If someone snaps at you, ignores your message, or acts rude, your brain instantly goes, "What did I do wrong?" Mentally strong people go, looks like someone's having a bad day. Psychology explains this as emotional detachment. Not cold, not careless, just smart. Example, your friend replies with, "Okay." Instead of overthinking for 3 hours and replaying your entire friendship in your head, mentally strong people think, they're probably busy, or hungry, or both. They save their energy for things that actually matter, not imaginary drama their brain created. Habit number 2. They control their reactions, not other people. Here's a harsh truth. You can't control people. You can't control situations. You can't even control how loud your neighbor's music is at 2 a.m. But mentally strong people focus on the one thing they can control, their reaction. Psychology calls this response control. Normal people react. Mentally strong people respond. Example, someone cuts them off in traffic. Do they scream? No. Do they chase the car? Definitely no. They might think, "Wow, hope they're late for something important," and move on with their day. Why? Because they know losing their peace over someone else's behavior is a bad trade. Habit number 3. They're comfortable being uncomfortable. This is a big one. Mentally strong people don't run from discomfort. They understand that growth feels awkward, boring, scary, and inconvenient. Psychology calls this distress tolerance. Example, going to the gym for the first time, awkward. Starting a difficult conversation, uncomfortable. Saying no when you usually say yes, terrifying. Most people avoid discomfort like it's a virus. Mentally strong people lean into it because they know discomfort is temporary, but regret sticks around. They don't ask, "Will this feel good right now?" They ask, "Will future me be thankful for this?" Habit number 4. They don't live in the past or panic about the future. Mentally strong people don't replay their mistakes on loop like a bad movie. They also don't constantly worry about everything that might go wrong. Psychology calls this present-focused thinking. Example, they mess up at work. Instead of thinking, "I'm terrible at everything, I'll never recover from this," they think, "Okay, what can I fix right now?" They learn from the past without living in it. They plan for the future without stressing about it. Basically, they don't mentally time travel all day, because that's exhausting. Habit number 5. They protect their energy like it's valuable, because it is. Mentally strong people are very selective about where their energy goes. They don't argue with people who just want to win. They don't explain themselves to people who don't listen. They don't attend every drama meeting they're invited to. Psychology explains this as boundary awareness. Example, someone keeps draining them emotionally. Mentally strong people don't say, "It's fine, I'll just deal with it." They say, "I need space," and they don't feel guilty about it. They understand that saying no to others is often saying yes to their mental health. So here's the big takeaway. Mentally strong people aren't fearless. They're not emotionless. They don't have life all figured out. They just practice better habits. They don't take everything personally. They control their reactions. They accept discomfort. They stay present, and they protect their peace. And the best part? Mental strength isn't something you're born with, it's something you build, one habit at a time. If this video helped you or made you think or made you feel a little calmer, you know what to do. And remember, a strong mind isn't loud, it's steady. Stay calm, stay aware, and keep getting stronger.